leveraging Poetry for efficient virtual environment management. So first of all, let's create a folder for our Ansible project. In my case, let's name it Ansible-project. Here we are. The directory is empty, so let's enter inside and use the Poetry package manager for installing all the Python dependency. Poetry is already installed in my machine, so I just need to type the command poetry init, and we can start with a package name, defining the version, description, the author of course, license, Python version, in my case 3.12, and more information are needed. I'm okay with just the default one, and this created all the scaffolding for my Ansible project. Cool, but now we just need to add Ansible. Okay, cool, we can do this with Poetry add Ansible. In this way, Poetry will add all the necessary dependency, is going to install, as you can see, is fetching the latest version available of Ansible, in this case 8.6.1, and all the necessary dependency, in my case ansible.core and some Python library. Cool, now everything is ready to go. Poetry is already creating all the necessary file and infrastructure for executing. Typing Poetry shell, I'm going to activate the Python virtual environment with Ansible inside. So if I'm typing Ansible -- version, I'm actually seeing the version of Ansible inside Poetry. Here we are. We have Ansible core 2.15.6 as expected, and also all the community packages that belongs to the Ansible 8.6.1. Cool. As expected, I'm using the Python 3.12, exactly the one inside the virtual environment. I think that Poetry really simplify the usage of the Python virtual environment and really elevate the user experience. Now we can start creating our wonderful Ansible project, starting with a playbook and all the necessary resources. I really like this way of creating the Python virtual environment because it really simplifies the workflow and is the best way. Cool! Now the sky is the limit, so I can't wait to hear your success story. Yay!